Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you the best export settings in CapCut on PC with no quality loss. After you're done editing your video, click Export in the top right corner. Now you can set your resolution. As you can see, mine is set to 1080p by default because CapCut identifies the resolution of your clip and sets it as the default resolution for export. But you can change it to any value you want, like 2K, 4K, or even 8K if you want. But I recommend making it the same as the resolution of your original file, unless your original file is a very low resolution. In that case, you can choose higher resolutions, but without going too high, like from 480p to 4K. Rather, make it 720p or 1080p, and also keep in mind that it will increase the size of your file. Then choose your file bitrate. Bitrate affects the quality of your video, so don't go lower, as it applies heavy compression to your video and reduces its quality. What you should do is to use the recommended bitrate or a higher bitrate if your file's bitrate is low. Next, choose a codec. You can choose HEVC if you want to save more space, but I recommend H.264 as it maintains the quality without increasing the file size. Then choose your file format. MP4 is the best format for exporting and uploading videos. MOV is better for editing and mastering. So unless you're going to do additional editing or color grading on the exported file, just choose MP4. Set the frame rate to the same frame rate you used while editing. And also you can use AI Ultra HD to upscale your video and make the picture look more crisp without manually choosing the settings. But it's better to do it manually as the AI Ultra HD upscale may not work well for some videos. You can, however, try and see if it works for your videos. Once everything is set, click Export and wait for the render to finish. And that's it. Subscribe to the channel for more fast editing fixes like this. Thanks for watching.